Hey guys, my name is Angel and today I have a review for Peachybbies. This was sent to me for free, but I don't want you guys to think that just because it was sent to me for free that it will be like biased, but yeah, so this is what the package looks like. It's so adorable and it's just like yellow makes me so happy, so just seeing it in the yellow box just makes me happy. So I already like cut the slit just so I wouldn't have to do that, but okay. Okay, first of all, this is so cute. Like it has her little like peach emoji and then everything is just so adorable. Okay, it smells like cardboard. I thought it was gonna have like a scent. Anyways, there's a lot of confetti, so just trying to move this so you guys can see. So this is the first one and it looks like a beanso bead slime. Put that there. And then there's another one. This one's called Peach Puffball. So cute. And then we have lemon gel. So she sent me, okay, and here's a little letter thing. Put the box down. And I love this. This is so cute. An activator pin. It says join the fam. Okay, let's open this. This is adorable. It has like glitter in it. I don't know if you guys see that very well, but like that's so pretty. So I'm gonna keep this on. Okay, so we also have a business card. Then it has peachybbaby.com. It says join the fam. It has her YouTube, her Instagram, and her Snapchat. So I'll link those all down below if you want to go check her out. And then I think these are stickers. This one is just Peachy Baby. And then this is just like her logo thing. This is so cute. An activator pen. I love that. Okay. That was it in like the extra baggies. I think I'm just gonna stay up here and like review the slimes. I'll probably insert a clip of just the slimes without me like talking at the end, so like an ASMR clip. But alright, so this is the one I have on top, the lemon gel, and by the looks of it I think it's a jelly slime. So okay, it for sure is a jelly slime. Look at that texture. I get so excited for jelly slimes. Like jelly slimes are my favorite. Okay. This is so thick. It smells like, okay, so the sour yellow candy from the dollar store. It's like lemon drops, I think. Or they're like lemon heads. Maybe that's what they're called. But this smells exactly like those. I do really enjoy the texture of this. Okay, so it's really stretchy and it's thick. It has amazing bubble pops. I want to see how much I could inflate this, so this next clip will probably be sped up just so you guys don't have to see this whole process. Okay, so I think it's been like a minute of inflation, maybe like a little less than a minute, but this is what we have. I don't know if it's like, it's bouncing off a lot of light, but it's a metallic-y light yellow color. Okay, so put it back in the container so you can see how much it inflated. Okay, so I don't think you could tell that much, but it did inflate. Okay, so it gets so fluffy when inflated. Okay, let's try to deflate this. Okay, one thing I will say is that it doesn't get like super sticky like most jelly slimes get when you inflate them. Like most slimes get like extremely sticky. This one does not do that. It is like a little sticky as you could tell, but it's not as bad as I've seen it. But I really do enjoy that. Okay, let's see if it fits back. Okay, I think I inflated it more. But you could see the inflation. Moving on to the second one. This is Peach Puffball. It says puff textured clay-based slime with a creamy peach marshmallow scent. Okay, this is what it looks like. It smells like Bath and Body Works. I don't know which one, but it smells like Bath and Body Works. It smells so good. Oh, wow. So it does have like a slight wet texture to it when you first play with it, but a lot of slimes like this, you just have to play with it a little bit and then the wet texture will go away. Okay. The bubble pops are really nice. I feel like the scent on this one is a little too strong, but it's not extremely bad. I would just tone it down a little bit. So it's like a really fun, like taffy texture. I feel like this would be a really great steady slime. Let's swirl this. Okay, that's so satisfying. The inflation on this one. Alright, this one does not have a label, but it's a bingsu slime. And I've actually never had a bingsu slime, so let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I don't think this one's scented. Alright. I'm so excited. Okay. Oof, I love that. Alright, so this is what it looks like. That's so amazing. It's so crunchy. Okay, bingsu slime makes the best bubble pops. I've never seen bubble pops form this easily. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I really love this one. I would like to say that none of these slimes needed activator, which is really convenient if you order slime. Andrea is, I love Andrea. She, like, I've been watching her since forever. Like, I remember the first tutorial I saw was her making slime, and she took the slime out of the bowl and she put it on a paper towel, and I was like, but I love Andrea. A lot of people do say, like, well, they're pretty basic, but like, these are so good. Like, the bingsu slime is so creative, so cute. The butter slime, she makes it so fluffy, so like cloud-like. It's definitely worth it. And then the lemon drop. I love the scent of this one, and it inflates a ton. I absolutely adore it. So yes, I do recommend all of these slimes, and her packaging, her labeling, like everything is just done so well and so professional. Like, let's just take a moment. Like, this is so pretty. And then like the box it came in, like the inside is decorated. You know how crazy that is? I'm just so in love. So in love with this packaging. It even has peachybbaby.com right here. If you like this video, you should give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more content. Yeah, that wraps it up. Thank you for watching. Tag Andrea. I don't know how YouTube works, but I'll link all of my social down below so you could tag her on my Instagram. I feel like I know how Instagram works, so you could tag her on my Instagram so she sees this video. There will be like short clips of these slimes on my Instagram. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll leave all of Andrea's links down below so you could check her out if you want to. All right, bye.